Good morning, student. How are you today? I hope you are feeling well. And now, I'm so glad to greet you. Student, do you know when our country announced its independence? Great, you are right. Our country announced its independence on August 17, 1945. But do you know the figure behind our country independence? Not yet. Okay, don't worry, because I will like to tell you about the figure behind the independence of Indonesia. So, now please listen to me. Student, we know that the proclamation of Indonesian independence gave a very important meaning to Indonesian people, and there are eight national figures who made it realized. Those are Mr. Soekarno, Muhammad Hatta, Ahmad Subarjo, Admiral Itadasi Maeda, Sukarni, Fatmawati, Sayuti Malik, and BM Dia. Then, the first figure is Mr. Soekarno. Insinyur Soekarno was one of the people who contributes to establishing the Republic of Indonesia as sovereign state. Bung Karno was born in Blitar, East Java, June 6, 1901 and died in Jakarta, June 21, 1970. Bung Karno was the person who completed the proclamation text and then referring to the text of the proclamation on behalf of Indonesia together with Bung Hatta. Bung Karno also read the text of the proclamation of Indonesia independent at this reside and Jalan Pegangsaan Timur number 56 Jakarta. And second, Dr. Andes Muhammad Hatta or Bung Hatta was born in Bukit Tinggi, West Sumatra on August 12, 1902. He died in Jakarta on March 14, 1980 at the age of 77. Hatta drafted the text of the proclamation with Bung Karno and Mr. Ahmad Subarjo. He participated in signing the text of the proclamation on behalf of Indonesia with Bung Karno. Muhammad Hatta is Indonesia's first vice president. Third, Ahmad Subarjo, Jojo Hadi. Soeharjo was born in Karawang, West Java on March 23, 1896 and died on December 15, 1978 at age of 82 years. He is Indonesia's first Minister of Foreign Affairs. Ahmad Subarjo is one of the figures from the old group who played a role in preparing the proclamation of Indonesian independence. Ahmad Subarjo participated in compiling the concept of the Bung Karno of the text of the proclamation at the house of Admiral Tadasi Maeda with Bung Karno and Bung Hatta. Next, Admiral Tadasi Maeda. Admiral Tadasi Maeda was a high-ranking officer in the Imperial Japanese Navy. He helped Indonesia to prepare the draft text of the proclamation of Indonesia independence by inviting two important figures to his house and let them use it for a very important activity. At his house, it was great national figure that had great contribution. Even though he is Japanese, he is willing to help Indonesia out of sympathy for the Indonesian people. Next, Sukarni. Sukarni was born in Blitar, East Java on July 14, 1916. He died in Jakarta on May 7, 1971 at age of 54. His full name is Sukarni Kartodiwirjo. Sukarni was a youth leader and a hero who was persistent against the invader. Sukarni proposed Bung Karno and Bung Hatta to sign the proclamation text on behalf of the Indonesia. And next, Fatmawati. Fatmawati, whose real name is Fatimah, was Insinyur Soekarno's wife. She was born in Bengkulu in 1923 and died in Jakarta in 1980. She is buried in the Heroes Cemetery in Kalibata, Jakarta. Fatmawati, she with the Saka Merah Putih flag which was raised at the proclamation of Indonesian independence at Pegangsaan Timur Street, nomor 56, Jakarta. And then Sayuti Malik. Sayuti Malik is a youth leader who was also very important in the proclamation of Indonesian independence. Sayuti Malik typed the script of proclamation to perfect in Bung Karno handwriting. The text of the proclamation was original handwriting by Sukarno, then typed by Sayuti Malik to make it look neat. And the last, BM Diah. BM Diah is one of the youth who attend the prepare for Indonesian independence. BM Diah, who took the original manuscript from the Tres and region. The original manuscript that were kept by BM Diah for 46 years, 90 months, and 19 days were later returned the Indonesian nation. BM Diah decision to keep the original manuscript was very correct. Therefore, all Indonesian people have been able to enjoy the original text in proclamation and have learned to lot from what happened at the time. Okay, student, that all of 8 national figures behind the independence of Indonesia. They are national heroes that we should respect and remember. We as young generation of Indonesia should keep the independence by raising the food feeling to our country. And I think that's all of our talk today. Thanks for listening to me. Keep motivated. See you next week. Bye bye.